The issue of property ownership has been a big headache to many, resulting to losses of millions. You find a same property being sold to 10 individuals. Recently, in Kenya, our airport was alleged to have been sold to Adani Holdings. Though truth is still unclear, but such issues are rampant.
Recent incidents of illegal demolition of homes and grabbing of land in Westlands here in Nairobi County are giving homeowners sleepless nights. In the latest incident, a family is crying foul after several visits by unknown people trying to illegally access their property despite a court order maintaining the status quo of the ownership of the house worth 40 million shillings. The owner of the house, Abdisalan Aidan Hussein, says ever since he was sued by unknown people over the ownership of the house, unknown people have tried breaking into the property more than 10 times. Hussein displayed all the documents showing his ownership of the property, even as he says his efforts to get help from the police have been unsuccessful. Recently, unknown individuals under the instruction of an auctioneer illegally demolished a home in the neighborhood, leading to the arrest and prosecution of the auctioneer, and the matter is currently in court.
I have been living here since I bought the property, but I have been seeing people coming, disturbing me long time. And finally, they went to court, and the matter is before the court. And I don't understand why we are in court, why they are coming and harassing, and every day they are trying to access the premises.
Hello, I'm Emmanuel Mudhomi Mshui. I'm the CEO, Propertyproof. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Yasifa, the Chief Technical Officer. Thank you. Welcome to Propertyproof, where we leverage blockchain technology with base layer 2 to protect property ownership records. This is our landing page for Propertyproof. This is our platform which is designed to be secure, innovative, and trustworthy, making it the go-to solution for managing your assets. Let's get started. In our features, you can see that Propertyproof enables accountability and transparency, where all transactions are publicly verified, eliminating fraud and corruption. This means your records are tamper-proof, providing unmatched security. Secondly, the platform has immutable records. That is, once registered, property records cannot be altered or tampered with. This provides permanent and reliable proof of ownership of whatever asset you have in custody. Thirdly, and this is the last feature, is decentralized management, whereby it's powered by blockchain. Thus, no single point of control or failure. This decentralized structure ensures the system is robust, resistant to failure, and free from bias. Down here is the programming tools we use to design our platform, and you can contact us whether you have a query or any concern through our email. There's an email button here where you can access us. Yeah, you can see that this is a copyright project, therefore all rights are reserved.
So this is the dashboard of Propertyproof. You can see there you put the asset name, the asset type. That is the homepage. This is the homepage for our Propertyproof. And now this is the profile, whereby if you have registered with our Propertyproof, you just need to enter your account number. Also, you need to enter your password. You need to enter your password, and now you can log in if you have an account with us. If you do not have an account with us, you go to create profile, whereby you put your account number there, your name, your gender, and your address, also your contact number and your password. You also upload the proof of your asset, and then now you can now create profile. After that, now you go to this other part of the dashboard whereby you had your asset. You have your account number there, the location of the asset, district, the plot number the asset lies, the area, and also the value of the asset. This should be determined by the valuer. And also you can upload the evidence that of your claim of the asset. On our Propertyproof platform, you have all the property listed under Propertyproofs are here. You just enter the account number of those people that their property are there, and now you can be able to search. Remember, these records cannot be manipulated, so any search you find here, it's authentic 100%, and there is no doubt whatsoever. So here is where now you just see the records. Here you can just click open and see the record without it's not complicated. So also here is the transaction page for the here is the transaction page whereby there is a buyer and there is a seller, and if you are a buyer, of course, here there is a lot of transparency. You'll also be required to have an account, the Propertyproof, and now you enter your account number, the seller enters theirs, and now you sign the transaction there.
Let's have a look at our solidity code that enables the transaction to take place. So this is our code right here. As you can see, we have a mapping similar to a dictionary. One is called Cartian, and the other one all assets, that records all users' assets that are within our platform. Then we have functions, where the first one enables registration, add user registration, and we have get user for enabling us to get the details for those users who are operating on this platform, where they are recording their name, gender, address, and address you mean your wallet address, phone, and the password. Then we have function that enables you to register your asset, change your asset value. In this time we talk about monetary values. We have a function to get asset address account. Here I've said if you're using wallets like Coinbase, MetaMask, and so on, this function enables you to do so, get that address account. Then we have a function that enables transfer property ownership, as you've seen in the dashboard that we are shown. Can check if the asset exists. Of course, this is blockchain. We tend our major aim is to prevent fraud or fraudulent schemes that will jeopardize any user on our platform. Therefore, the main aim is for all users, including buyers and sellers, to be secure. So this code assures us of that. So we can view, the function is view all assets owned by the user. As you can see, we have a function get user assets. Yeah, then the assets are recorded in a list. Then delete asset functionality in the case where you you don't want your property or asset to be on the platform anymore, you have a function that enables you to delete it. These are events for tracking. Then you have modifiers for access control. Check if user is registered. Check if the user is the owner of the asset. So that's the end of the code. So let's skip right away to compile. So when you hit compile, we can see the green checkbox that indicates our code has been compiled successfully. So let us go on and deploy. Let us deploy. Under the environment, I'll select injector provider MetaMask, as we're using our testnets as Sepolia ETH are in the MetaMask wallet, so I'll use that. So estimated gas, let's hit deploy. When we hit deploy, you can see the pop-up. On our MetaMask, we confirm, so we can see that the estimated gas fee is 0.06. That's okay. We can confirm. After confirming, creation of registry pending, so let us wait. So we can see that our transaction was successful. Let's view it on Etherscan. So the transaction has been included and will be reflected in a short while. So let us wait for it to be processed. As you can see, we have a transaction hash, and we can see that our transaction has been recorded in this block. So we have our status. Our transaction has gone through successfully. This is when the transaction took place, that 4 seconds ago. So that's shows that how the workability of our code, it's functional. Yeah, so that's all about property proof. We can see that it's functional. Yeah, the transaction has gone through, and it's really reliable, secure, and this is a game changer in the space of asset ownership and transfer, because this will reduce the cases of fraud, yeah, and increase accountability and trustworthiness. Thank you for your time.